just made that song up. I hope you enjoyed it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bailey, and today I just thought I would do a little day in my life because it is the day before Christmas Eve, and since I didn't do Vlogmas, I didn't do like a whole lot of holiday. The voice cracks have to stop. I haven't done a whole lot of holiday themed, Christmas themed videos, and today I have some like Christmassy things to do. I'm gonna put these dishes away. I'm still drinking the block. I'm getting another late start to my day because I stayed up until 4 a.m. last night editing. I have to stop doing that. I accidentally destroyed my pants while I was doing my makeup. I dropped my liquid blush on them. Wait, it's not that bad. I took a makeup wipe, didn't come out, so then I just put like some Dawn dish soap on it. Oh, it's like not coming out. I also just did all of my laundry last night, so I have nothing else to wash with these, but I kind of feel like I should put them right in the washer so they don't stain. It's snowing and I don't want to go outside at all. I'm not looking forward to this. It's snowing. I made it to my mom's house. I got everything I needed from the grocery store, and honestly the roads are getting pretty slippery, so I don't think I'm gonna try. I'm like seeing shit. I'm gonna try not to stay here too long because the longer I wait here, the worse the roads are gonna get, and I honestly almost got in like 3 car washes. Girl! Sorry, my brain is scrambled. I almost got in 3 car accidents. Not actually, but like I was sliding, slipping all over the road. I also like never learned how to drive in the snow, and I just wing it every single winter, and it's literally terrifying, so should probably figure that out. But yeah, also I have like food and stuff in here, and although it's 30 degrees out and my car is basically the equivalent of putting my food into the fridge right now, that's another reason I don't want to stay here too long. But we're gonna go say hi. My mom asked me to pick up her nail polish remover, so I got this one. I've never tried it. I hope it's good. And some cotton rounds. Hello, Cece. Are you a little reindeer? Hello.
Well, last time, look at this mess. Check it out. Yum.
Those look so good.
My little baby. You hate me. Why do you hate me?
It's good.
Oh my god. Cold cake mix and wine.
That's good. All right, I brought all of the groceries up, and now I'm going to run downstairs because I have some packages and some of them are gifts that I need to wrap. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put all this away. My mom gave me this sweater. She said she tried it on and it's like way too cropped for her, so she gave it to me. It's cute, it's kind of like a bright red color. Just missed my couch. All right, I'm actually filming a little portion for a separate YouTube video right now. You guys have probably seen that already if you stay up to date with my videos, but it was my what I gave people for Christmas / wrapping presents video. I just started wrapping and I forgot to show you guys. I wanted to show you guys what I bought. I'm gonna put in a little clip from the other video, but like I actually just filmed it right now, so it's kind of confusing, but I got my best friend this aloe sweatshirt for Christmas. It's so freaking cute. It's like pink with different colors, and then I also got her these little gold bracelets. That's what I'm currently wrapping, and I'm filming for the other video, so I kind of forgot about this video and you guys for a second. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a little update. Okay guys, so that took me way longer than anticipated. I also opened and wrapped my boyfriend's mom's present. It's a present from both of us because it was kind of expensive, but it's just this little jacket. Sorry, I forgot to take a clip, so I'm just gonna put, you know, the other video's clip over the top of what I'm tweaking. Basically, my boyfriend said he's about to leave and come here, which is not good because I have not started dinner. I'm also starving. I've barely eaten today. I ate breakfast and then I had like a few snacks at my mom's house and ate some of those cookies. They were actually so good. I brought some for me and Leo to eat tonight. So I think I already said this, but I'm making like a vodka pasta, and I was gonna do like chicken breast, but like that's kind of like a lot of work, and chicken breast is like very hit or miss for me. I overcook it all the time because I'm low-key scared of chicken. I'm not scared of like any other meat for the most part, but like chicken kind of freaks me out. So I didn't want to do chicken breast, and then I found this like ground chicken at the grocery store, and it was like tomato basil seasoned already. So I'm browning that right now, and I'm just gonna throw that in with the sauce so that there's some like protein content to the pasta. I'm gonna put my apron on. This apron is so funny. I I just bought this vegetable dicer. I've been wanting to get one of these and I just haven't. So hopefully this makes the process of cutting up my onion faster. Okay, so you just put it there and then go like this and it dices it for you. This is kind of a fat onion. I don't feel like I need this whole thing. Wait, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh! It didn't dice it. Oh no, what did I do wrong? I think I did it slightly wrong. Holy shit. Wait, the first ones are diced. 4 tablespoons of butter going in this pan. Boiling my noodles. I'm gonna drain this chicken. There's like some juice in it. That's not like fat. I can pour that in the sink, right? Or no? You know what? I rent. It's okay. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna like take a little break. I'll be back whenever I make some progress. I can't do this anymore. Oh yeah, get to work. Things are coming together. It's almost done. This is the sauce. Here's my dog food chicken. It's great. I'm just waiting for this to thicken up.
We need more cheese.
A little more.
I'm wearing a Packer shirt. We need more cheese.
Yeah, he's got the Packer, mixed Packer / Christmas combo.
Yeah, we're feeling festive, but we have the Packers.
6:38. We might have to do gifts at halftime.
Legend Pookie Goats playing.
That's probably
We
good.
might be eating plastic.
Bruh. I hope these noodles are cooked. Oh, didn't I? I feel like sometimes you lie. He said it's delicious. It looks fire. It actually did not look appetizing in the pot, but now that it's in a bowl, it looks delicious. I forgot a fork.
Let's go.
Why?
Side out.
Yeah, you asshole. Yeah.
My bad.
Yeah, guys, he hates me.
What?
Oh yeah. What do you rate it out of 10?
A 9. Or even 9.5.
See, I feel like he's lying to me right there.
That first bite taste, it was a 9.
That's good. I'm
Oh.
so hungry.
This is so good.
Okay guys, we're watching the Packer game and we're gonna start opening our gifts. Gift exchange.
Go Pack, go.
Gift exchange.
I mean, gift exchange.
I think I talked about this in my gift wrapping video that I did where I showed you guys everything that I got for everybody. It's so funny. Literally, like, look at Leo's gifts. Like, it looks like this is for like a little baby toddler girl. But like, I had to because look how cute it is with my decor.
Is what it is.
I had to. There's some more manly ones. They're pretty.
Better than my wrap shit.
It looks phenomenal. Leo is so good at wrapping.
Oh god.
I think they look great. He's trying on all of the clothes that I got him together.
Had these bad boys on, got a little too warm.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, open your last one.
The last one?
What do you think?
I hope. She's crazy.
I have a little issue where I can't stop buying stuff.
Can't complain. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
There's glitter everywhere. Oh no.
Dripping.
This is not good.
Dude, sweet. Nice jacket. This will go with what I'm wearing right now. Everything goes together. Now I'm gonna wear the same 5 things for the next year.
That's good, because you've been wearing the same 5 things for the last year.
Yep.
Perfect. Got a whole new rotation.
Yeah, new rotation.
Try it on. Get to it.
Seem to be in the neutral colors.
Yeah. What do you want, like neon and green shit?
Yeah.
I would do like a long sleeve under it probably. That looks nice. Does it fit?
I think so.
Well, it's too late to return it, so you'll make it fit. So cute, so stylish. Hi, you guys. It's like 12:30 right now. Actually, I don't even know. Yes, 12:29. So me and Leo were opening our presents. We were watching the Packer game. The Packer game was kind of boring because we beat the Saints by like 25 points, 27 points. I don't remember the exact score, but we were sitting there watching it and we both ended up laying down vertically. And I've talked about this couch and how magical it is. It's the comfiest couch ever. And if you lay down vertically on it, you're gonna fall asleep. Leo actually falls asleep most nights sitting up on the couch. He's the type of person that can be like interested in a movie or a show but still fall asleep in the middle of it. This couch is so comfy. It's low-key love-hate relationship because like I take way too many unwarranted naps on it. So we fell asleep. We woke up at 11:30, which isn't great because one, I had things to do. I need to edit. Holy shit, sorry. I have to edit. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve and it's a busy day and I wanted to finish a video tonight and now I don't really know what to do. I'm kind of freaking out. Also, Leo works really early in the morning, so he always tries to leave like around 10:30. My living room is currently a mess. I'm not gonna show you guys what Leo got me for Christmas. It'll be in my what I got for Christmas video that I do every single year, which actually, now that I'm thinking about it, you guys are seeing before this vlog. This vlog is not like main priority for me. I have 2 other videos that are gonna go up before this one, but yeah, if you're interested, just go watch my what I got for Christmas. Yeah, I think I'm just going to pick up my living room really quick because it's actually a disaster and I do not want to wake up to this in the morning. And then I might eat a snack really quick because my stomach is like eating itself, and then get ready for bed, crawl into bed, and hopefully get some editing done. But I don't know, I don't want to stay up late. I talked about this morning, but I went to bed at 4 a.m. last night because I was up editing, and I just did not want to do that again. But I guess I just have to do what I have to do. Oh, I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching this vlog. 2025 is going to be the year of me just doing more vlogs like this. I feel like I kind of got into the habit this past year of, what's the phrase? Living my life for the vlog and not just vlogging the life that I'm already living. I don't know if you're catching my drift there. I feel like I would decide that I wanted to vlog or film a video, and I would schedule my day just like based on the fact that I was vlogging, and it would be just like a lot of repetitive like cleaning videos, organizing, just hanging out with me, trying to be productive at my apartment. And this next year I really want to do just like more random, uncut, you know, organic vlogs. I want to feel like we're best friends again. I feel like I need this. You guys might need this more than ever. The world is in a scary place. So 2025, I'm back. I'm gonna be your bestie, and there's gonna be so many vlogs. I really just want to like dive into YouTube, even though YouTube is like kind of dead. I talk about this a lot. Views are down. People just really aren't watching YouTube that much anymore. But to me, I don't care. Like I just want to be able to provide you guys with content, and this is my favorite platform to make content for. So I'm gonna keep doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have so much to do right now. I'm freaking out. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.